Hello to all, welcome to the channel Cloud Knowledge. Today in this video, we'll study a data flow scenario where we have the input data set as here shown on the left side, which is having values from 1 to 5. Okay, and in the output data set, we want to create a new column called MaxRank, where MaxRank is calculated as rank divided by max of rank. Okay, so among the input data set, 5 is the max rank, okay, the maximum value coming from the input data set, and we have to calculate the max rank as rank divided by max rank. Let's say for the first row we have the rank as 1, that means 1 divided by max of rank means 5. Okay, 1 divided by 5.2, then 2 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5, 4 divided by 5, and 5 divided by 5. So this simple scenario we are going to demonstrate in the current video using data flow activity and the transformations, window, select and derive column. So let's go to the data factory and we'll create a new pipeline. We'll name it as MaxRank. We'll take the data flow in the canvas. We'll name this as data flow MaxRank, and we'll connect to the source. So the source is already placed in the storage into account inside the test input folder as the file name maxrankinput.csv. Okay, so this is the file which is having the data as rank from 1 to 5. Okay, so this is already placed. Now we'll connect to this data set. So let's add the source. So we'll connect to the data set. It's inside the data lake storage gen 2. So we'll click on continue. It's a CSV, click continue. So the link service is already there. File path, test input folder. And the name of the file is maxrankinput.csv. Select it. First row has header. Click OK. Now we'll go to the data preview and click on refresh. Since the data flow debug option is already enabled, click on refresh to fetch the data. So the data appeared. It is having the rank column. Our next job is to calculate max rank. Okay, so we have to perform the aggregation, which we can do through window transformation. So we'll select window transformation here, which comes under the schema modifier section. Click on window, and then window has settings, window settings. Okay, it has 4 different configurations: over, sort, range by, and window columns. In our case, we do not have to partition the data. We simply have to create the max column. Okay, the column holding the max value. So we will not do any change to the first 3 configurations. We'll simply go to the 4th configuration, and here we will create a new column as, let's say, MR, the maximum rank. And in the expression builder, we'll open and write as max. The expression will show up max, and then inside max we have to give the value of rank. So from the rank column, take the max value. Okay, so max of rank. We'll save and finish, and then we'll go to the data preview of the window transformation. Click on refresh. So now the new column is generated, which we named as MR. It is having the max of rank value as 5 for all the incoming rows. Okay, so you can see here clearly 5 is appearing. Now our next job is to generate this new column, which is called as max rank, and which is rank divided by max rank. We have calculated the max of rank. Now we can easily generate this column using derived column transformation. So we'll click on the plus sign and we'll select derive column transformation, and here we can create max rank column, and in the expression we will write as it is rank divided by max rank. So rank, select rank, divided. Okay, this is the divide symbol, divide, and then max rank. Okay, so this we have done. Now click on save and finish. It is showing us expression should return the same type string as previous. Okay, so here we have the type issue. So we'll go to the source level And in the projection, we can see that the rank is having type string. Now we'll change it to integer and we'll go back to the derived column, and the error we can see is now gone. So now we'll go to the data preview and click on refresh. And we can see the new column generated as MaxRank, and it is having the value rank divided by MaxRank 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1 as we required in the output dataset. Okay. And here in the output dataset we have two columns, rank and MaxRank. And in our case, at the derived column level, we have this column MR, which was calculated as MaxRank. So in order to remove this extra column, we can use the select transformation. So we'll select under the schema modifier section, the select transformation. So here is the select transformation. And from the select settings, under the input columns, we could see this MR column, which we can delete by using this delete button, remove mapping. Okay, so click on delete, and then let's go to the data preview section of the select transformation and click on refresh. Now we have got rank and MaxRank. Now we can load the data into the sink. Let's say into the same storage Gen2 account as a CSV we want to load the data. Let's select the test output folder this time. Click OK. First row should have header. Click OK. And then in the settings of the sink, we will give the file name option. Output it to a single file. Set single partition on. File name will give. So we'll give the name of the file as MaxRank output.csv. MaxRank output.csv. Now we'll validate the mapping and then we'll go to the pipeline and perform a debug run. So the data flow is in progress. In the meantime, we can go to the storage inside the test output folder and wait for the file to be generated. So here the data flow is still in progress and the data flow succeeded. Let's go to the test output folder and we'll click on refresh, and the MaxRank output.csv is generated. We'll click over it, try to edit and preview the data. So we have got the data as expected rank and the MaxRank column generated as rank divided by max of rank. So let's go here. What we did in the data flow is that we used the window transformation, and in the window columns we added a new column and calculated max of rank, that is the input column. Then in the derived column transformation, we created the new column and gave the expression rank divide MaxRank, and then select transformation to delete the extra MaxRank column and then load it into the target. I hope you've got the understanding of this simple scenario. Thank you for watching the video. Happy learning. Bye.